So this is a quick video to fix the scanning is currently unavailable issue that you see while scanning pages on HP Smart. As you can see, when I scan a page, I get this message. Now, the official post by HP says that uninstall this software and remove the drivers. But we will look at the simplest way which worked for me and many others. Alright, the first thing we will do is unplug the printer wire. If it's connected using Bluetooth, you can go to the Bluetooth settings and remove the device from there. The next thing we will do is remove the printer. I'm using Windows 11, but Windows 10 is similar. The only difference is the interface. I will search for the word printer in the search bar and then go to the printers and scanners menu. In Windows 10, you will see devices and printers. Here, you will see your printer as well as HP Smart Printing. We'll remove the printer. We will not touch HP Smart Printing because that's from the HP Smart application. On Windows 10, right click on it to remove. On Windows 11, I'll click on it and then click on the remove button. The next thing we will do is open Task Manager. Sort all tasks by name and then find HP Smart. Even if you close the software, it does not close completely. So we'll close the app from here. Sometimes there are two operations, so make sure to end the task completely. Next, we'll insert the wire back. You can see the printer in the notification tray. I don't remember if it shows on Windows 10, so don't worry if you can't see it. Anyway, you can go back to the printers to see if the device is added. I will simply open HP Smart and test it. Let's click on the scan option. Wait a second. Great, it's working. Alright, this was a quick how-to guide. Like this video if it helped. I'll see you later. Take care.